Hey, I don't allow this
Oh,
actually.
bawal pala.
No, it's fine already.
Pwede pala.
No, but like,
Ano
no
ba?
na lang. No, dapat na lang.
Oh, bawal. No. Yes. Hindi ko rin alam. Tanong mo.
Ito lang. Pwede.
Ito lang pala.
Kulit si Daddy.
Ako makulit. Eh,
How can
nilagay
you
mo
not
dyan
understand what's, like, it's obvious that it's not good for night.
Ba't nilagay mo dyan?
It's for you.
It's for me pala. It's mine.
No, bakit you are saying it's mine? She will get mad. There is actually a reason why I'm preparing here tea and put Eugene to sit and Sovi is there. Well, Sovi is always there.
Sit.
It's because there is something that I'm very curious about and I've been wondering that for so long.
Oh.
But I'm not asking. I'm just like letting it slide. But the last point was...
Letting slide? Bakit? May ginawa ba akong di maganda?
The last point was when my friend chat me about that and asked me about that. That's why it's time to reveal it and ask really Eugene about it. Because I'm also curious about it, because I'm assuming the same. So the thing is, the question is, my friend chat me, my friend from Lithuania, Karina, she chat me and she said, Vika, I have a question to you. Why is your husband with gray hair? Is he like that from genetics, or is it marriage life that gave him like that? And me, myself, I was also wondering that. Is it really genetics like that? Because Eugene keep getting every year grayer and grayer and grayer. Camera maybe cannot even pass it all, but it's like, surely 2 more years, no, okay, let's say 3 more years, I'm sure he will be like super gray already. Like your father, gray.
Layo naman ng
No,
age
tignan
namin.
mo, oh. You do this, it's great. Like, camera cannot show it how gray it is.
It is. I think it is.
No, like, don't move.
Okay. Hindi. Ano ba yan? Pinapakita mo ba? Sinasabunutan mo ako?
Hindi ko alam. Cannot show, but it's really gray.
Hold the plate.
Here, stand here. Eat like this.
Doon ka na lang
Look, I
kumain.
will teach you, Sabi. Look, like this.
Doon ka na lang kumain sa ano mo. Doon sa lamesa mo. Come here.
Go
doon ka
to the
kumain.
table. Ay, sorry,
In
baby.
your table. Here.
Go to daddy.
Eat here.
Doon ka. Go. With Moana. Eat with Moana.
Eat mo. Ano there?
Go na with Moana.
Daddy!
Yes?
Daddy!
What
You
do
go there. Sit.
Sit there. Sit.
Yup.
Huh? Later. I will go with you.
You!
I will go with you.
Daddy!
What should I do?
I don't, Daddy.
Doon ako? I will go there? Okay, I will be with you for a while, okay?
The thing I want to ask you is, why is your gray hair really gray? Is this because of the hard marriage life? Because it only happened when it's already before I naganak, but it's super gray hair na super fast after I naganak. So what is that? Is the marriage life gave you so much like sapal sa face? Tapos when
What's
so,
ang pulse face?
parang so much stress in your life? Or it's really genetic?
Kasi napansin ko rin, ang daming nagko-comment, di ba?
Yes. Even my family asking, why is your hair gray?
dami-
Everyone thinks you first kinukulayan that?
Akala nila, kinukulayan kong highlights na ganito.
Everyone thinks that you kinukulayan that because it's like unrealistic that you have like that gray. Well, it's of course some people have it, but it's just so weird. It's like, am I the reason? Am I the stress? Or like just genetics?
Dami pa nga nagsasabi sa comment na dito ba, sobra daw ako ng stress, sobrang ba't
Yeah.
daw, gano'n. Kulayan ko na daw yung buhok ko, kasi ganyan-ganyan daw. So, ang dami nagko-comment. Alam ko siguro nakikita, nababasa nyo rin talaga yung comment niyan. Kailan mo ba huling napansin? Kailan mo napansin pala na parang dumadami na yung gray? sa
Did I
buhok?
notice that
Oo.
it's... this year is... No, last year now already. Last year I noticed it so much. Like it's keep getting more and more, but last year is like really a lot, and it's like now it's even more. And now you have short hair, it's not already that visible, but when you have long hair and it's a bit up, it's super gray. Like, this is all gray. This is gray na talaga. Before, Eugene had only like this gray.
Dito
Like
sa
this.
Hindi naman dito talaga. Dati kasi talaga kinukulayan ko yan mga pre. Parang nag-start nung nagkakilala kami ni Vic. Hindi naman nagkakilala. Nung pumunta si Vic dito, nag-stay siya dito sa Pilipinas. Sakto lang yung gray hair ko na parang yung labas-labas lang, mga ganun-ganun pa. Siguro year 2019 and 2020, baka mapapansin nyo yung pag pinanood nyo. Yung mga unang vlog namin. Ganun pa, wala pa masyado.
Yes.
Tapos year 2021, tapos 2022, ganyan na. Nagkukulay na ako ng buhok noon. Nag-ano talaga, kung hindi nyo lang napapansin, kinukulayan ko na ng itim yung buhok ko. And kaya nga meron tayong vlog noon na pina-highlights ko na talaga yung buhok ko.
And the way you highlighted, it's the way it is now.
Ganto,
Like
ganto,
that.
ganto.
Like, so you don't need to highlight it pala.
Kasi dati ang kulay lang, parang dito lang.
And
banda.
Eugene didn't want to color his hair because he thinks it's masisira.
When?
You said that time to me, let's highlight it because don't want to keep coloring because I
Ah.
don't want it to get ruined. So let's just highlight it, kunwari I'm all gray. So here you, natupad wish mo! Ano? Enough. Auntie? Try. Try lang.
Nag-start pala talaga to nung naging magkasama pala tayo.
That's why I think that maybe it's me kasi maybe I'm the reason. Like, that's why it's so...
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
I don't know. No, you know, it's normal when you enter marriage life, you will really naturally become stressed.
Yeah.
So, well, but I wouldn't think like I'm that stressful to you. Like I don't understand. I don't really bring you that much stress. So like, how is
Do you
it like
think
that?
so? O hindi ka kasi stress? Na hindi mo naisip yun?
I'm not stressed. I'm happy.
It means, tag dito, nagagampanan ko lang talaga yung part ko kung hindi ka stress.
So what? You absorbing all the stress?
Ha? Yeah, siguro. Happy ako na ganun yung nangyayari dito sa sa pamilya natin na hindi kayo nakakaramdam ng stress.
So you are the stress one.
No, I'm not stressed.
So do you have gray hair genetics or stress?
Genetics.
Ah, so genetics.
Tingin ko genetics. Tingin ko.
Genetics. Wala kang reason to stress.
Tingin ko talaga kasi
Hello.
meron na naman talaga, konti-konti nga lang. Kaya lang di ko lang din alam bakit biglang sobrang dumami.
Yeah, like
pagdating
really
ng
bigla.
Around 2020, tapos nung kinasal na tayo and nagka-anak siguro. Hindi ko rin kasi napapansin dahil laging ko nga kinukulayan ng itim. Kaya hindi nyo rin napapansin na ganyan yung buhok ko na ganito na talaga.
Because my friend, the one who asked, she have gray hair, but on her it's from stress talaga.
From stress.
Stress. But on you, that's why I wonder, maybe you also? Because she had it already since we were in school.
Kasi sinerch ko nga yan, sabi nila, kaya daw dumadami yung gray hair mo dahil sa stress mo. Tapos ngayon, tinignan ko, nai-stress ako dahil sa gray hair ko. So, paano yun?
So it's like an attending loop.
Kaya nga sabi ko, so hanggang sa naisip ko na lang na, dito, dahil lagi ko nga kinukulayan yung buhok ko, na black. Napansin ko na numinipis na kasi yung buhok ko parang natakot ako na baka mas makalbo ko, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, di bali nang may puti yung buhok ko, ang importante kasi.
No, medyo kalbo ka dito.
Hindi, dyan meron talaga, ganyan talaga hairline ko.
Hindi kalbo ka talaga.
Pero makapal pa naman sabi ng barbero yung buhok ko.
Oh, embrace mo na yan.
Sasabunutan mo.
Embrace mo na yan.
Kaya ayun nga, sabi ko, embrace ko na lang yung yung puting buhok ko kaysa yung makalbo ko, kaysa ganyan, 'di ba? Para ang kinaganda kasi dito, hindi ka masyado nagje-gel, wala kang products na ginagamit sa buhok mo.
Well, yeah, so that they will be
At
healthy.
least healthy lang yung buhok mo, 'di ba? Syempre.
When there is occasion, you can have a special weapon. Show your weapon.
Ayan, minsan kasi mga pre, bakit? Oh yes, papakita ko muna sa kanila. So kagad doon na nakita, kami. Dito ka. Yan. Minsan kasi mga pre, kinukulayan pag may occasion para neat lang tignan. Kinukulayan ko ng buo talaga yung buhok ko. Pero sabi ko nga, nasisira nga pag ganun. Kaya may nakita talaga ako. Ayan, ito. May ganito palang product. Para siyang wax lang. Tapos igaganong-ganon mo lang sa buhok mo.
Yeah, but careful. Don't Eugene. When he did it first, he lay on the pillow, remember? And who wears this pillow, it's hard to wash it out.
Yun lang. Mahirap lang i-wash out kapag
But for occasion, this is
for
fine.
occasion lang.
When
Kasi
you-
parang wax lang siya
Yeah, it's like a
Hindi
wax.
masisira buhok mo.
And when there is occasion and when you put this, and for example, you went to toilet and then you did this and you lumabas, I'm like, oh my God, new Eugene, new hair.
Oo.
You got younger, but you look younger
Like-
when you do that.
Kapag nilagay ko
Yes.
yan. Yun nag-iitim. Kaya pag ginanong-ganon mo,
Ayan.
Diba? Madali lang. Kaya pag nakita niyong itim yung buhok ko, ibig sabihin baka nilagyan ko ng ganyan.
Yes.
Kasi etong nakikita niyong puti.
Hindi bigla bumata.
Ayan.
Ayan, see, you look younger. I miss Eugene with black hair. Sometimes I'm asking Eugene, can you color your hair in black?
So you cannot accept my natural
No, I
hair?
can. I'm just saying like,
Hindi pwede. Magkukulay yan eh. Kung gusto niyo nito mga pre, hindi ko alam kung malalagay ko dito sa sa YouTube yung item na to.
Are you a bully? What are you?
Hindi ko alam kung malalagay nyo. Mura lang yan, parang 50 ata, wala pa atang 100 pesos. Ilalagay ko dyan para mabili nyo dito through this Dahil ayokong ilagay yan kasi baka magkulay.
And the way you remove it is with wipes, di ba?
Oo, ganito tinatanggal ko yung wipes. Natanggal ko siya ng wipes kasi nga
Just please,
mahirap
don't sleep
pag-shampoo.
it on bed with this. It's so hard to remove it.
Almost
Almost impossible. But I already embrace you with gray hair, especially when
Really?
you...
Dahil sinabi ko lang sa'yo na
No,
yun.
especially when you cut it short, it's okay not to me. I love you, even you have orange hair.
Orange hair. I also love ginger hair.
Girls?
No! Gusto ko magkaroon din. Siyempre pag ginger ako, di ba?
Okay. Okay. Gingers. Then you should have married ginger.
I didn't say about woman. Ba't iniiba mo yung topic? Diba kasi pag itim lang yung buhok mo, parang malinis lang tignan, ganun-ganun lang. Saka parang ang unang tinitignan nga, pag may puti-puti ka, matanda tignan, tapos ganyan-ganyan. So before, and then na-realize ko, and bakit hindi ko embrace, baka mamaya ako pa yung maging dahilan para sa ibang tao, matutunan din nila i-embrace yung mga bagay na nagpapa-insecure sa kanila. Diba? And I'm proud kasi, kumbaga yan yung identity ko diba? Pag nalaman nilang, kunwari, sinabi nila na, kunwari, iyaano mo ako, ang tawag dito, i-describe mo ako. O kaya, bagong tao lang, bago mo lang ako nakilala. Ang una sasabihin mo, yung may putiin ng buhok. Diba? So, identity ko na yan. And kaya ini-embrace ko yan.
Kuko. Sakay.
Parang may krimino ang ginawa.
And then she don't know.
Sa gusto ko rin ising i-practice yun para kasi si Sobi babae, di ba?
Ano, she will have gray
Hindi,
hair?
mostly kasi sa babae, sila yung mas maraming insecurities sa sarili na yun yung nagpapababa ng confidence sa kanila. Unlike sa lalaki.
But
Lalo na pag physical appearance. So kapag nakikita ni Sobi, may nakikita siyang isang tao na
Na gray hair?
No,
she will fall in love?
No, na may insecurities pero hindi dahilan 'yon para yung yung confidence mo bumaba. Tapos ine-embrace pa ng isang tao yung insecure yung bagay na yun sa kanya. Gusto ko lang mag-example kay Sobi.
Okay.
Kasi nga babae nga si Sobi. Hindi ko alam nagigets mo.
Oh.
Hindi mo nagigets.
Basta, for boosting confidence,
Let's say, kunwari mama mo.
Oh.
Nakikita mo yung mama mo na alam mo pwedeng insecurities ng mama mo pero ini-embrace niya yon at confident niya pinapakita yon.
So then it
So
will
hindi
make,
niya iniisip yon na ganon.
So it's example for me.
Yeah, na dapat hindi ako
Okay,
bakit
I get
kailangan
it, I
ko
get
mag,
it, I get
'di ba?
What a deep talk just for gray hair. No,
Ano pag gusto mo itanong sa akin?
for me. About the ginger girl.
What
Sino
ginger
yan?
girl?
Sino yan?
I don't have any ginger girl. Ikaw nagsabi ng orange tapos ginger.
Di bakit bigla lumabas sa'yo yan?
Yung alin?
Minsan,
Naalala ko
nasa
si
isip.
Ginger.
Saan?
Ed
Naalala
Sheeran.
mo?
What?
Si
Hindi,
Ginger
Ed
na
Sheeran.
girl. Chichiran ka dyan.
Sheeran.
So I don't know the final answer. It's not because of the marriage life, right?
Ha?
Ha?
Hindi ko rin alam Sabi ko,
Hindi,
diba?
stress yan. Ano yan, genetics. Look, your father is already pure gray.
Honey, my father is almost 60, kaya
My
gray yan.
father is also like that. He doesn't have gray hair.
Really?
That's why you were the only one.
Sige, genetics na lang.
Honey, look, stop
Sige nga,
Say it's
genetics na.
genetics.
It's genetics.
It's like a force. You like a gun in your head. Ano, ulitin mo.
Tignan mo, may pasapa ako dito.
Hindi ako yan. Si Sobe yan.
Hindi si Vika to. Si Sobe yan, kinagat ako ni Sobe. Nakatingin si Sobe, nadamay pa daw siya. What is it? Hi!
Say hi.
Yung family mo ba, nagtatanong din sila?
Yes, they're asking.
Really? Even your mom?
Yeah, they're just like, well, what's happening with him? is he coloring it? Is it the style? I said, no, it's really gray, natural. Then they all joke that is it because of me, the stress life? And then but they know that it's genetics. Because it's impossible, I'm such an angel.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Naniniwala sila?
Yeah?
Okay.
It seems like you don't believe it.
No, I believe you.
Honey, you are making
Honey,
me
your
look like...
knife. Put down your knife. Kita yung knife.
No, ano? Honey!
Joke lang.
It's all not true. I am mabait. What you have seen is all...
Sinong mabait ang magsasabing mabait siya?
I'm only mabait to my husband. Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin sa lahat ng tao.
No. Then it's more believable if I say like that. No, honey, make my image good back normally. Fix it. Say that I'm nice.
Ha? She's nice.
Honey, ayusin mo yan. Say, I am nice. Say, my wife is nice and I have gray hair because of the genetics. Okay, ulit ko na.
My wife is nice. I have gray hair because of genetics.
No, honey! Oh, why? Come here.
Oh, are you sad?
sad,
Are you
oh, sad.
sad?
Oh my god, our
Are you
baby
sad?
sad. Are you sad?
Are you sad?
Sad?
Are you sad?
Why are you
Why are you sad? Can you be happy? Can you show happy? Happy but sad face. Happy face. Smile. Smile.
Sabi, is
Puso.
mommy nice? Is mommy...
Oh.
Wait lang. No. Is mommy nice?
No.
No. Look at the camera. Say yes. Is mommy nice?
Hindi, mabait yan si Vika.
Wag na! Okay na yan. Ruined my image forever.
Hindi, so si Vika hindi...
I'm not doing anything to you, ha?
Huwag ka kasing tumingin. Di ba? Diyan ka tumingin sa camera. Si Vika, mga pre, sweet yan. Maalagain.
But I think that's all.
That's all yun lang naman. Kinlarify lang namin kasi dami nagtatanong. Dami nagko-comment sa akin na kulayan ko na daw yung buhok ko, ang pangit daw tignan, ganyan. So at least gusto ko lang malaman yun na ine-embrace ko lang yung bagay na meron ako. Kasi ito yung natural ko. Kasi mahirap eh. Imagine mo, kunwari si Sobi, lumaki may insecurities na inaasar siya sa ganito. Tapos sasabihin niya na, pwede ko bang pabago to? Pwede yung ganyan. So, mahirapan siyang matutunang mahalin yung sarili niya.
Okay.
That's what I want.
Should I also color my hair gray?
Ba't hindi mo ba mahal sarili mo?
I don't know. What?
Huh? Why you need to color your hair gray?
Support you?
No, that's not how it's... But thank you for that.
No, I'm not gonna do that.